Hello friend, welcome back. So yay, you've just received the email to say that you're the chosen photographer for your new client's newborn photo session. So then over the next 2 weeks, you receive 14 more texts and emails from those parents filled with tons of frantic questions. What if my baby's born early or late? How do I dress my baby for the photo session? Can I bring an outfit? What do I feed them? What if they need to feed during the session? Where is your studio? Can I bring my toddler? What if my baby poops? And so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. All right, my friend, it is natural for parents to have so many questions about their session, but it may not be the best use of your time to answer the same questions for each and every session, for every newborn session that you're having. So a better practice really is to create a newborn prep guide that you can send to your clients as soon as they book their sessions or even before. That way you know that parents have all the information they need to ensure that you have a seamless and a successful newborn photo session. You may even be answering questions that they didn't even know they had. So creating a PDF of your FAQs to send out to your clients is really a way to save you time and to show how professional that you are. You can create these in Photoshop, but my favorite too is actually an online tool called Canva. It's pretty user-friendly and you can get your client guide ready in no time at all. Now the hardest part really will be deciding on your questions and answers in the FAQ. So in order to save you some time, I'm going to show you a little bit of what my FAQs are. So number one is how and when do we contact you? Address how long before the baby's due date parents need to book their session, and explain how you keep that date on your calendar and when they should contact you after the baby's born. They will want to know what happens also if the baby's going to arrive early or if baby is late. Number two is how old should baby be for the session? Now it's important really to set realistic expectations regarding the ideal age, especially what to expect if baby is a little bit older than your ideal age. Number three is how long will the session be? Now many parents are surprised to learn that newborn sessions can be as long as 3 to 4 hours. So be sure to let them know what to expect, and if yours is shorter, let them know that too. Number four is where does the session take place? Now this is the place to give parents your studio location or let them know that if you come to them. So discuss logistics like directions, where to park, and also share amenities that they're going to be able to expect at your studio. In addition, this is a good time to advise them of just how hot the studio will likely be so that they may want to dress accordingly. Number five is what should everyone wear? Now give parents your recommendations on what to wear for the family portion of their newborn session. They will also want to know whether to bring any outfits for the baby or whether you supply everything. Lastly, address what the siblings should wear as well. Number six is should they have professional hair and makeup done? Now this would be a great spot for a referral to your preferred makeup artist and or a stylist that you know, like, or work with. Number seven is how do we prepare baby for the newborn session? Now this is where you would decide, do you want baby to be fed at home before the session or only at the studio? Like what's your policy on pacifier use? This is the place just to let your parent, the newborn parents know what you've learned works best for your newborn sessions. Number eight is what if baby poops or doesn't sleep or just cries a lot? Now parents will have a ton of fears around things going wrong at the session, and it's really important to just let them know that everything you're experiencing is considered normal and what your game plan is for challenging situations. Now also number nine, what about siblings? Now, because of the length of a typical newborn session, it is best to advise parents that siblings should only attend for the family portion of the newborn photo session. For me, that's typically the first or last 30 minutes. Also, just be really clear to state the expectations around siblings. In my studio, nothing is guaranteed. Number 10 is do you have studio rules? You may limit the number of relatives that you have in your studio. You could have a strict no filming or cameras photo rule. Maybe you take prop requests, or maybe you don't. How do you feel about Pinterest requests? Number 11 is what happens after the session? Will you be releasing sneak peeks or will they be getting them all at once? What is your turnaround time for the completed gallery and how will they get access to their gallery? Now with all these questions answered before your newborn photo session starts, you can focus on that sleepy baby and know that the parents are ready and relaxed for the actual session. I really hope this helps you in making your PDF. Thank you for tuning in today and I will see you next time.